Wow. Do you think everybody will get it right? The answer is no. As simple as it is, not everybody is gonna get this right or correct. According to you, what do you think is the answer? First, pause the video and comment or drop the answer in the comment section. And we are saying that 1 as the answer is wrong. So it is wrong. If you are among those who are getting 1, just know you are wrong. So 1 is a wrong response to this. Let us have the correct working of this as a response. So we have the 5 divided by 5 and still divide by 5. In simple terms, this is the same as having the 5 divided by 5 then divide by 5. So now we have transformed from this format to this. We can see that this one is the vertical format, whereas this is the horizontal format of it. Then if we continue simplifying the one on the right hand side here, simply it means that this is equal to 5 divided by 5 gives us the 1, then divided by, so we are on this side, divided by 5. As we continue simplifying, we are having our 1. Since this is a division sign, we now change it to become a multiplication sign, and after turning it to a multiplication sign, then we are going to get the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 divided by the 5. So in here simply we are going to multiply. Remember, here we have the denominator of 1. So as we simplify, we're just having now the 1 multiplied the 1, the numerators, divided by the denominator. We have 1 multiplied by 5. So in the numerator we have the product as 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 5. We are getting 5. So in simple terms, it means that our answer is the same as having the 0.2. Therefore, we can conclude that therefore our expression 5 divided by 5 and still divided by 5 equals to 1 out of 5 or equals to 0.2, but not 1 as many of some students failed it. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel Lwamusaayi Mathematics channel for more videos of mathematics and lessons. See you again. Goodbye.